Morning, everyone. Happy Sunday. It's December 11th. Thanks for following my channel. And I just wanted to share some empties from this past week and some little things that I've been enjoying for this season. So one of my favorite empties from this past week is Helene's Gingerbread House Day from Vintage Chic. Gooey butter, buttery vanilla, fresh rolled dough, buttery gingerbread, vanilla gingerbread, and a hint of sugared almonds. Yes, it is just like you walked into a bakery. This is beautiful. I'm glad I stocked up on a bunch of these. First, I had gotten it in a sample, and I just can't get enough of these. This particular bag came in a big gingerbread format, and I just love it. So, one of my favorites. This I just finished from That Smell Good shop, brown sugar pound cake, fresh coffee, and bear claws. Her wax is so extraordinary and very strong on cold and warm. I think I shared that I went away in July and I got like a little cheap $3 warmer from Dollar General, and this filled up the whole house that we were staying in, like huge open concept house. This was beautiful, and I just finished a little 6-pack of this, and I have some more, thankfully. I just finished some Teddy B's toasted marshmallow sugar cookies. Sweet sugar, buttery shortbread, buttercream, vanilla cookie, and toasted marshmallows. This was beautiful. A really yummy cookie and toasty marshmallow blend. Of course, we all love Teddy B's because they're magnificent. What else do we have here? I finished a small little pack of ice cream scoop bread, sugared shortbread, and buttermilk pie. This was gorgeous from L3. I absolutely adored this. Britta's, another super favorite vendor. Fraser Fir, strawberry, and mulberry. I had this going in the kitchen. I have a Scentsy warmer. Yes, it's messy. I have to clean it out. And that warmer doesn't perform that well with wax that's not Scentsy, but softer wax, it came alive this time. I also put some of it in this cute little gingerbread jacuzzi Scentsy plug-in, and it did very well in there. I love Britta's. Very unique, very clever blends, and super strong. I also finished this beautiful Scentsy Cozy Fireside Scents of the Season collection. This smells so good, very comforting and Christmassy. And I also love, which I didn't finish because I'm hoarding it, is the Saint Nickerdoodle. Is another really dense, yummy, like apple pie comfy apple cobbler blend. But I love this Cozy Fireside too. Another Britta's Autumn Coffee Cupcakes, Cupcakes at Tiffany's, cinnamon glazed baklava, and caramel pralines. This was very, very good, very strong. I love doing coffee blends in my kitchen. I just finished this sample from the Melt Stash of roasted pine cone. Very good. Any kind of pine cone I can get my hands on. I love it. I love that scent. It's so nostalgic to me. I also love That Smell Good shop does a frosted pine cone. If you don't have that and you love pine, it's very unique, and her website's, I think, usually always open, and you can get it from her standard scents that she offers. But I got a 12-pack of that coming. And I just finished Sassy Girl Aromas Santa's Beard, and creamy nutmeg, vanilla bean, Noel, peppermint candy, and sugar cookies. This was very nice. Medium strength, but it performed well, so I just finally finished that. And that's kind of it for my empties from this past week. I'm working on a lot of things. I made these cookies yesterday at 6 in the morning. I had a wild hair and thought I would feel like baking. These are, the drizzle didn't really come out right, but these are gingerbread latte cookies with brown butter gingerbread drizzle. So the drizzle was kind of weird, but they are insanely delicious. Please message me if you'd like the recipe. They came out so good. And my daughter works at Home Goods, and I have a friend who has Dachshunds, if I'm saying it right, and we got her a shower cap and a Dachshund, if I'm saying it right, Christmas cup. Oh my gosh, when you have a child that works at Home Goods, it's something else. I cannot stay out of there. I also got this candle there. I have another one too. There's like a line of these DW Christmas candles. There's a hot toddy one. There's a hot cocoa and marshmallow one. They're very heavy and dense. They're not that strong, but the scent of this, I have it burning in the other room, is lovely. It's very, just cute, just nice. And I would probably keep the other one and not, or this one, and not melt it till next year. Maybe this candle needs to cure. And that's about it. So I hope that you all, and this is a tea light warmer that I found on Mercari. It did not come with a dish, and she put that in her thing, but I'm using a custard cup, which works pretty nicely. I'm trying to find another dish that fits a little bit better. But I love everything gingerbread, and I had to have this warmer. It's just too cute. So yeah, that's going. I just lit that in the kitchen. And that's about it for Empties from this past week. So I hope you all have a wonderful Sunday, and I will talk to you all soon. Have a great day. Bye.